Alright guys, we're going to work on lesson 23, day 2 phonics. We've only got 15 minutes on this recording and I'm going to try to do day 2 and day 3. So I need everybody doing their best and following along quickly with me, okay? Alright, let's take a look. Everyone say fishery. Clap it. Fishery. Alright, we've got 3 syllables, but we're going to divide it into and decode it, okay? So we've got fish and uri. Alright, now we know that a fish is a water animal, and we know uri means relating to, place where, or quality. So that definition is going to be a place where you can catch fish. Okay, it says that Jasmine likes to go to the East Fishery because she thinks it has the best catch. Alright, go and catch. Those are our key words in that sentence. Okay. Now, on your paper, you have a word, cursory. We're going to divide that into 2, curse and ori. We know curse means to run or go. Ori means relating to, place where, or quality. So this is going to talk about the quality of running or going. Remember, guys, if it's in blue on my board or on my screen, it needs to be written down on your paper. Alright, it says, because he was rushed, the doctor did a cursory exam that showed no broken bones. Okay, so that means that he had to do a quick exam. Okay, that means that he was rushed and then he did that exam quickly. Okay, cursory means quickly. Alright, you can pause the video for them to copy this down, and when everyone's finished, you can play it. Okay. Now, everyone say unfairly. Alright, clap it. Unfairly. How many syllables do we have? Hold up your fingers. 3. Great job. Let's take a look. We're going to underline our vowels. Alright. U, A, I, R, and Y. Now, you're probably thinking, Miss Franklin, we got all 3 of them underlined. Those are what, guys? That's a vowel R. Okay? And we have Y underlined because, let's listen, unfairly. E. That Y says E, so that means it needs to be underlined. That's that, and sometimes Y, exception. Alright, unfairly. We said we had 3 syllables. Okay? Now, let's take a look. We're going to go to the next slide. Okay? Now, you can pause the video right here and have them work through. And when you play the video, we're going to go back. We're going to go together and underline the vowels and clap out the syllables. Okay? Our first word is disturbing. Everyone say disturbing. Alright? Clap it. Disturbing. Alright? You should have I, U, R, and I underlined. That U, R is a vowel R that we've been working on. Alright? The next one, everyone say shelter. Clap it. Shelter. We've got E and ER underlined. Those are our vowels. Alright, everyone say encircle. Clap it. Encircle. Okay, E, IR, and E should be underlined. Alright, number 4, everyone say different. Clap it. Different. Alright, you should have I, ER, and E underlined. Last one, number 5. Everyone say ignore. Clap it. Ignore. Alright, and you might be saying, Miss Franklin, what in the world? Why are O, R, and E underlined? That is vowel R, guys. Okay, we just haven't seen that yet before. O, R, and E being underlined. Okay. Alright, you can pause the video here for everyone to check their answers and play the video when you're ready to go to the next section. Alright, everyone, what are my vowels in center? E and E. But hold on, is it E and E or is it E and ER? Try to trick you. We got vowel R this week. Remember, ER has to be underlined. Okay. Now we've got to figure out our syllables. So everyone say center. All right. Clap it. Center. All right. So we're going to draw a line right down the middle between the N and the T to separate our syllables. We only have 2 syllables in the word center. Okay. Now let's look at this first syllable. Sin. Tap it. S-in. Sin. That needs to go where, everyone? Close. Great job. Now let's look at the second syllable. Ter. T-er. Ter. That is going to go where? Vowel R. Great job. All right. Now, let's take a look. The next word we have is urgent. Everyone say urgent. Clap it. Urgent. All right. We're looking at the first syllable, We're trying to figure out where that needs to go. Where does that need to go, everyone? Vowel R. Great job. Let's look at the second one. It. Gent. That needs to go where? Closed. Great job, guys. All right. Let's look at number 2. Survive. Survive. We've got that separated into 2 syllables. Survive. All right. Let's look at sir. S-er. Where does that need to go, everyone? Vowel R. Great job. What about vive? V-ive. Vive. That needs to go where? Silent E. That long vowel silent E. And make sure, guys, that you are not screaming when you are saying your answers. Make sure we're not getting too loud, okay? All right, let's look at number 3. Everyone say perform. All right, clap it. Perform. All right. So we've got per needs to go where, everyone? Vowel R. Great job. What about form? F-orm. Vowel R again. Great job. All right, let's look at number 4. Clipboard. Where does clip go? Clip. Clip. Where does that need to go? Closed. Great job. What about board? Board. Vowel R. Great job, guys. All right. Let's look at number 5. Sincere. Sincere. S-in. Where does that need to go? Closed. Great job. What about sear? Whew, bless me. Sorry, guys. You know Miss Franklin's not feeling good. Sear. S-ear. Sear. All right, that's going to go vowel R. Great job. All right, you can pause the video here to let them all get finished copying up. And then we're going to go to day 3. All right, guys, we're going to go to the next page. We're going to be on day 3. All right. I'm going to say the word, and you're going to repeat it. Here we go. Hurt. Right. Why. Show. Around. 8. There. Done. Together. Friend. People. Does. Goes. Today. Because. Laugh. All right, great job. You have a list of words that are on your paper. You're going to read for 1 minute quietly. And when the timer goes off, you can circle the one you finish on. Alright, and stop. Circle the one you finished on. Alright, let's take a look. We have some morphemes on the board. Curse, cur, curse, and vent. Alright. I know we normally do this differently. But what we're going to do, we have recursive right here. So that's one of our words. Let me see. I think I can do it like this. Alright, what's another word that we see? I see recur. Recur. So you're going to write recur right here. Okay. Now, I'm looking for words with vent. I want you to look at my screen, and I want you to find a word that has a vent in it. Alright, vent. I see the word invent. Great job. You're going to write that right here. And let me see if I can see one more word. Okay, inventive. Alright, you're going to write that one right up here. Okay, now, what we're going to do, I'm going to find a word on here, and that word is going to be let's see, incur. Incur. Now, I've got to figure out what the word incur means. So let's see if I can figure out what incur means. Now, oh my goodness, y'all have to bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Goodness gracious. Incur. So I don't have a dictionary with me because I'm laying in the bed sick. But I'm going to Google the word incur. Incur definition. And I'm going to use my Merriam-Webster's Dictionary for Kids. Let's see. Now, that means, come on, to get or receive. Okay? So you're going to put that where you're, what in the world? Y'all bear with me. Oh gosh. Okay. To get or receive. We're going to write that in. Okay. To get or receive. Alright, and I want you to come up with a sentence. You can pause the lesson, and we will go to the next thing. Alright, we're running out of time, so let's go to the next thing. Why is this not? There we go. Alright, so this week we're working on vowel R. That's where we have a vowel followed by consonant R. So I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat it. We're going to clap it out, and then you will write these down at the end, okay? Let's take a look. Everyone say survive. Clap it. Survive. Alright. Everyone say disturb. Clap it. Disturb. Okay. Everyone say cardboard. Alright. Clap it. Cardboard. Alright. Everyone say warning. Warning. Alright. Say during. During. You're going to copy these down, and then we are finished with phonics for today.